Hello, these are my strawberry plants growing in 10-inch X cut flower water buckets. I purchased these plants last year as bare root strawberry plants and planted them in the autumn of the year. So these plants have actually grown through autumn, winter and spring, and we're now moving into early summer here at Homegrown Veg in the United Kingdom, and the plants are starting to produce strawberries. This is a first for me. I'm going to harvest some of these strawberries now, just enough for our tea, and the rest will grow on and we'll take them as we need them. So we don't need a lot, but there aren't a lot anyway. There aren't a lot ripe, not at the moment. There are a lot of strawberries on the plants, but they're not big enough and they're not ripe. So we're just going to take the big ripe strawberries and leave the rest to grow on. I missed the first one. Check this out. My first red strawberry. 1-0 to the birds. Okay, as you can see, I've now got these plants netted, so I'll take the net off and we'll harvest the strawberries for tea. These are our first strawberries of the year. How about that? How about that? Got the plants in autumn of last year, bare root strawberry plants, put them in, grew them on, through autumn, through winter, through spring, we're into summer. Hey, look at these guys. We've got some strawberry. Oh, hold on. I've left that net off. I'll have to go and put that net on. The birds will be at them. Okay, that's the net back in place. Let's go back indoors and finish this video off. Wow, that was nearly a blunder, wasn't it? That was nearly a blunder. Although I think the birds are only attracted by the red berries, and I've took those off, so they probably wouldn't have bothered what was there. But anyway, the net's back on, as you can see. Yeah, we're chuffed with these. We're really happy with these, and there's lots of fruit still on the strawberry plants. So we should get more strawberries, shouldn't we? All we've got to do is keep watering them. Fingers crossed we get some better weather than we've had lately, that the sun shines and it gets warmer. And I can't tell you what these taste like because I haven't eaten any yet, but we're going to have them for tea. I'll put this video up sometime after tea, and I'll put something in the text. I'll let you know what these guys taste like. Okay, hey, proper cup of tea, come on. Proper cup of tea. Man, proper cup of tea. Right, so that's it. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. There's a number of videos on the channel showing me receiving these things through the post in the autumn of last year. I think it might have been September, October time. And, well, it was nearly a disaster. It was nearly a disaster. But I think we've turned it round. Just check those videos out. You'll see what I mean when I say it was nearly a disaster. But we've turned things round. We're happy with what we've got so far, and we expect more of the same. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. This is Homegrown Veg, signing out.